Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, 2025, and this is your daily Nasdaq futures recap. Market news. It's a packed day for the markets. At 7 a.m., the MBA 30-year mortgage rate came out. At 8:30 a.m., we got September wholesale inventories, followed by pending home sales at 10 a.m. Then the big one. At 2 p.m., the FOMC statement and Fed interest rate decision. And at 2:30 p.m., Chair Powell's press conference. After the closing bell, Microsoft, Meta, and Google all report earnings. Definitely a huge lineup for traders today. Overnight session. 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. At 8:30 p.m., as the Asian markets opened, Nasdaq started to climb. Our short position slipped into an unrealized loss, and by 9:30 p.m., Nasdaq jumped sharply higher. We closed the short and flipped long to follow the momentum. Morning session. 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. The market was quiet early on, as traders waited for the Fed decision. At 7 a.m., the mortgage refinance index came in strong at 1,327.8, up from 1,214.7. Momentum picked up quickly. By 8 a.m., our long position was showing about $200 in unrealized gains. At 10 a.m., the pending home sales index came in flat at 0%, and the market dipped. Our robot closed the long for a $170 profit and switched short. But by 11:30 a.m., Nasdaq climbed again ahead of the Fed decision, so we flipped back long, ending the morning with a realized gain of $175. Afternoon session. At 2 p.m., the Fed cut rates by 0.25%, and Nasdaq instantly turned volatile, moving sharply both ways. Our long flipped short, then back long, but high volatility stopped us out. By 2:30 p.m., during Powell's press conference, spreads widened dramatically, and our swing trades ended in a loss. By 2:45 p.m., all profits were wiped out. Realized losses hit $475, and before the close, total losses reached $717. After hours. After 4 p.m., the big techs dropped their earnings. Microsoft and Meta came in weak, while Google surprised to the upside. Nasdaq spiked up and down in seconds. Our robot made a quick short, then a long, and one more short to recover most of the drawdown. By the end of the after-hours session, total realized loss had narrowed to $152. A wild FOMC trading day overall. Lesson learned. Trading during FOMC hours is risky. Volatility and wide spreads can erase gains fast. Summary. Today featured two highly volatile periods: the FOMC rate cut and the tech earnings releases. After a full day of algorithmic trades, we ended with a net loss of $157. Most of it came during the FOMC window, where spreads were unusually wide, and momentum flipped rapidly, from a $175 profit to a $717 drawdown, and finally to a $157 net loss. That's how wild today was. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Futures recap.